Next one, if sine of a plus b plus c equals to 1, then tan of a minus b equals to 1 upon root 3 and sec of a plus c equals to 2. Then find a, b and c respectively when they are acute. It's strictly given it's acute. Here first point, sine of a plus b plus c equals to 1. So when is sine 1? For which angle? Check this slide. These are angles 90 and sine cos 10. So sine of 90 is 1, right? Therefore a plus b plus c equals to 90. So you get a plus b plus c equals to 90. Now second, tan of a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. Now whose tan is 1 by root 3? See this, 30 degrees. Tan of 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Okay. So we get a minus b equals to 30 degrees, right? Now third, sec of a plus c equals to 2. Now whose sec is 2? See this, sec and 2, 60 degrees. So sec of 60 is 2. So a plus c equals to 60. So now just solve this. A minus b, see here, do 3 minus 2, what you get? C plus b equals to 60 minus 30, that is 30, right? 3 minus 2. Then 1 is what? See here, it becomes a plus 30 equals to 90, right? Because a plus b plus c is 90 and b plus c we got it 30. So a equals to 60. So 2 is what? 60 minus b equals to 30. Therefore b equals to 30. 1 is what? 60 plus 30 plus c equals to 90. So c equals to 0 degrees. Next, root of sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1 plus root of sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 equals to